In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Webflow website 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your site from the designer to a live link with confidence and zero guesswork. First, open your project in Webflow and make sure you're in the designer canvas. If you've been editing, give everything a quick once over, confirm your latest changes are saved, preview to spot any responsive layout issues, and make sure any CMS items you want live are actually set to published. These fast checks help you avoid pushing out unintended drafts or layout mistakes. Next, look to the top right corner of the designer for the publish button. Clicking Publish prepares your project for the web by bundling the latest static assets, styles, and approved CMS content. Think of this as the moment your design becomes a live, accessible site. If you're collaborating, remember that only the most recent saved edits are included. If the Publish button appears disabled, you may need the right workspace permissions, or you might simply need to save your changes first. After you click Publish, a dialog will appear showing the domains available for your project. You'll typically see your built-in Webflow staging domain, which ends with webflow.io, and if you've connected one, your custom domain. Choose where you want the site to go live by selecting the appropriate domains, then click Publish to selected domains. A helpful practice is to publish to the staging domain first to review the live build in a safe environment. Once everything looks perfect, publish to the custom domain so the public sees the latest version. Publishing usually completes in seconds, but custom domains can take a moment to reflect changes depending on caching. When the publish completes, use the link to open the live site and verify key pages, forms, and interactions. If something looks off, do a hard refresh in your browser to clear cached files and confirm you published to the correct domain. You can republish at any time. Publishing is non-destructive and is a normal part of iterative web work. If you don't see your custom domain in the list, it simply hasn't been connected in your project's hosting settings yet. Publish to the staging domain for now, and once the domain is connected, the same publish flow will include it. Also note that draft or archived CMS items won't go live until you publish them, and password-protected pages will still require the password after publishing. If forms or interactions behave differently on the live site, double-check that any third-party scripts are loading securely and that your latest site-wide settings have been published. And that's it. Open your project, click Publish, then confirm Publish to selected domains. You're live.